First of all, let's learn what a computer is. A computer is an electronic device used to store and process data and information.
What can we do with a computer?
Through a computer, you can connect with your family and friends living miles away, store information, book railway tickets, access bank accounts, play games, listen to music, and watch movies. Now let's learn about the various parts and uses of the computer. A computer is divided into two parts, hardware and software. The computer and all the equipment connected to it are called hardware. Software is the set of instructions that the computer follows in performing a task.
Do you mean all those icons visible on the screen are software?
Yes, Rohan. Software is a program in a computer which we can use to perform various tasks. Let's learn about the different devices that makes a computer. Computers consist of three different components: input devices, processing devices, and output devices. Input devices. Just like a tractor needs diesel or petrol to run on, similarly, a computer needs devices to insert data, instructions, or information so that it can perform tasks. Devices which are used to insert data, instructions, or information into a computer are called input devices. Look at these images. They are some of the input devices which you use with a computer. These input devices are pen drive, mouse, keyboard, CD, and microphone. The keyboard and the mouse are primary input devices.
It looks very similar to a typewriter keyboard with an exception to additional keys in it.
Yes, beside the regular keys, it also has the numeric keypad and some special keys.
Can you tell me what the special keys are used for?
The numeric keypad helps you to enter numbers with the keypad similar to a calculator. These are the navigational keys. They help you to view a page on the monitor. The page up key moves the cursor and visible section of the text up on the screen in programs. The page down key moves the cursor and visible section of text on the screen down in programs. The home key moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. The end key moves the cursor to the end line of the text in the program. Editing keys. These three keys are called editing keys. They help in editing text documents on the computer. The insert button toggles between inserting text and overwriting text in most of the text editing programs. The delete button deletes a single character of text to the right in text editing programs. The backspace key deletes a single character of the text to the left in text editing programs.
What are these 4 arrow keys used for?
These 4 arrow keys are called directional keys. The up arrow moves the cursor up in text editing programs. The down arrow moves the cursor down in text editing programs. The left arrow moves the cursor left in text editing programs. And the right arrow moves the cursor right in text editing programs.